Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Fashionistas. We saw many of these back at Toy Fair in February of this year, and I've been waiting for them to come out ever since. Especially Dimples over there. I ordered all of these online from Target and Amazon. Hold on a second. There might be another package at the door. Yeah! My Fashionista 132 just arrived. I was hoping to get both of these and some of the guys today, but I guess we'll just have to wait till next time. And I think we have plenty of dolls to look at today. Starting with number 119. This is your basic Barbie Fashionista box. On the back, you can see all of the dolls in this collection with their corresponding number right underneath. Let's take this doll out of the box for a closer look. Baby. Out of the box, I just noticed there are some words of inspiration inside the box. So I might want to be a little more careful in the future when unboxing. But there are a few holes and cuts from the packaging, so aww, I still like what it says. The world is a better place because you are in it. Barbie! Doll number 119 is Barbie. She has a light curl to her hair, metallic gold triangle earrings, and she's not smiling, which is one of my personal preferences. She has a very pleasant look with no painted teeth. And I'm a big fan of the really soft, natural makeup. She wears a pink and white striped dress with flowers printed onto the front, a collar, it ties in the front, Velcro down the back, and she finishes her look with a pair of brown cowgirl boots. One of our favorite things to do is to give our fashionistas backstories. But since this is Barbie, we're just gonna stay with her original bio. Barbie, age 17, oldest to 4 children. Doll number 120. You are capable of making great things happen in the world. Aw man, this one is cut up too. She has platinum blonde hair with blue highlights. She wears a white tank top that says dream all day. It velcros in the back. She wears a colorful, sparkly skirt with an elastic waistband, metallic silver bracelet, and white sneakers. Since Barbie is 17, we're gonna make this whole collection in high school. So for doll number 120, we are going to name her Celeste. She's 17 and loves stargazing. She even started an astronomy club at school. Doll number 121. You are full of potential and will do great things. And look, almost no cutouts. Yeah! I get excited over the most random things. She has brown hair with a curl. It is pulled up at the top. She wears large silver metallic hoops, a white, pink, and blue dress with ruffles, and white shoes. This Barbie has a prosthetic leg that can be removed. I love how inclusive this is because we all know that representation matters. We are going to name her Victoria. The name has a Latin origin meaning victory. She is on the track team and refuses to let anything stop her. Doll number 122. You will create many amazing things with your imagination. She has red hair with green eyes. She comes with a pair of white sunglasses, wears a white t-shirt with red stitching and a rainbow on the front. It velcros in the back. She wears a blue skirt with white stitching. The shirt and skirt are 2 separate pieces, and she wears a pair of red jelly high heels. I'm gonna name her Hazel, and she loves art. She wants the whole world to be painted in beautiful colors. The more color, the better. Doll number 123. Who you are on the inside will inspire others. This doll has light brown braids. I love seeing more dolls come out with different hair textures. The first doll I ever bought with braids was a fresh doll, Indigo, from Wave 1. Then in Wave 2, we got the Froggy Fresh doll. And now, We have a Barbie! So cool. Wow, you're pretty tall. She wears a deep red lipstick with painted teeth, a black sleeveless shirt with white stitching. It says girl power and it looks like a motorcycle on the front. Paired with a red pleather skirt with a ruffle, metallic gold bracelet, and lavender boots with little flowers printed onto the sides. Her face kind of reminds me of Zendaya. So we are going to name her Rocky, inspired by Zendaya's character on the Disney Channel show Shake It Up. She's in the drama club and lives for comedic roles. What do you think of my new costume? We're doing a modern remake of Cinderella from a mouse's perspective. Doll number 124. You have the power to make change happen. This one has a giant piece of plastic glued across it. Aww. The plastic was there to protect the dew. She has bright green hair. It is shaved on the sides and there's a design. She wears a sleeveless white collared shirt with black stitching, polka dot overalls that are cuffed at the bottom with a pair of black boots and a silver bracelet. This is a petite Barbie with that green hair. I'm thinking we could call her Emerald or Esme. She is the editor for the school newspaper and she enjoys changing her hair color often. Doll number 125. Never be afraid to express who you are. Out of the box, her hair is purple and has a little bit of a curl to it. She comes with metallic silver sunglasses, wears a sparkly floral jumper that velcros in the back, and she has a pair of black shoes. She is a curvy Barbie. I really like the purple hair, but I would have liked to have seen a more natural lip color. Because of her hair color, we are going to name her Violet. She loves to study botany and volunteers after school at the community garden. Doll number 126. You are strong, independent, and will go far. She has light brown hair, comes with a peach-colored hair accessory, and the cutest little smile. This doll was a must-have for me out of this collection because of those dimples. She wears a yellow tropical dress and creamy yellow tennis shoes. Everything about this doll screams summer. She looks like a Yasmine to me, so we're gonna call her Yasmine. And she loves making flower arrangements, especially tropical ones. Maybe Yasmine and Violet work together, since they're both into flowers. Doll number 127. Your unique ideas will change the world. She has black hair with a light curl, wears blue heart sunglasses, and a reddish-brown eyeshadow. She wears a pastel t-shirt dress that says Unicorn Believer. It has a yellow collar and ruffled sleeves, and she wears a pair of white boots. Since her shirt says Unicorn Believer, I'm thinking she's a big fan of fantasy. So let's name her Audrey because it means elf. She's on the school newspaper and writes short stories about magical creatures. Doll number 128. You will make a positive impact on many people. Out of the box, she has curly hair on top. It's shaved on the sides and around the back. The hair is longer in the front than it is on top, and it might need a little TLC due to packaging. She wears a purple camo tank top that says Good Vibes Only, blue shorts with white stitching. The shirt has a loose fit, and the shorts Velcro in the back. She finishes her look with a pair of yellow sneakers, and she wears a white watch. Since her shirt says Good Vibes Only, I think she has a very peaceful personality. So let's name her Pax after the Roman goddess of peace. She's into yoga and meditation and all about positivity. All of these Barbie Fashionistas have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. And they were $9.99 at Target. However, Fashionista 132 was $19.99. you have the ambition it takes to create something amazing. This doll comes with a wheelchair that really rolls. There is a clear brace to hold the doll in place, and it says Barbie on the back. The doll wears silver-colored sunglasses, a striped shirt with ruffled sleeves, faux jeans with white stitching, and white shoes. She is on a made-to-move body, giving her fantastic articulation, allowing her to sit easily in the chair. She also comes with a ramp for a little extra assist. This doll looks a lot like Barbie, but since we already have one in our Dollyverse, let's name her Beatrice, a vintage name just like Barbie. And she's a playwright for the school drama club, writing amazing roles for Rocky. And we can create something using the inspirational messages on the box. Just cut them out, glue it onto poster board, cut it out, leaving a trim, cut thin strips of black craft foam, glue it around the edge to make framed art for the wall, so the dolls will always be inspired. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at new Barbie Fashionistas. Let us know what you think their name and backstory is in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Case we